Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the new updated information from the tax credits straight from the IRS. Okay, as you guys know that before this the IRS put a cap limit on the Model Ys, no more than 55,000, and today they came out with the regulation, the new one, the updated one, and that's going to give Tesla Model Y all the way up to 80,000, and this is all Model Ys. Okay, and you know, before, like, all the Model Ys, all the vehicles that has to be assembled in North America. Okay, so we have no issue with that, and they have not just only Tesla, they do have other manufacturers as well, like Honda, Audi, BMW, Ford, and all that stuff, but we're just gonna look at Tesla only. And so when you click on Tesla, you notice here, before, the only Tesla that would qualify, it has to be under 55,000, and only for the 5-seaters. And to qualify the other one for under 80,000 would be the 7-seaters. Now they just make it. This is really easy, and it should have been like this before. They should not be making the price $55,000 cap. Sedan, I get it, but for an SUV, especially for Tesla, when they came up with this regulation, it's actually forced Tesla, not just Tesla, but other EVs manufacturers, will lower the price so that the consumer can qualify for the tax credit. So that's why Tesla reacted and dropped a huge amount of money on prices on all the Tesla model, especially the Model Y, like $13,000 decrease from, I think, the high of $65,000 all the way down to $52,000, and maybe like 2 weeks later they did a $500 increase to 53 something, and now all the Model Ys, all-wheel drive, long range, performance, all qualify. So with this new price cap, 80,000. You can do a lot of things with your Model Y, with the 5-seaters. You know, you can do by the tow hitch, upgrade your wheels to 7-seaters, change the color, whatever you want, and they're probably going to be still well below under the $80,000 price cap. Okay, so that's the latest news from the IRS. So that's pretty much it for this video. So, guys, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.